Boss, I want to explain to you how to make money as a delivery driver using uShip. By the way, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. So let me first give you an overview of the app. So when you think about uShip, I want you to think of uShip as a shipping marketplace that helps you as a driver, as a delivery driver, generate new and recurring business by submitting competing quotes. So you have to submit competing quotes or accept offers on customers' shipments. So what happens here is that with a new shipment, you have new shipments that are posted every 30 seconds to 1 minute on uShip. Okay, so there's never a shortage of opportunity, whether you ship vehicles, furniture, freight, equipment, motorcycles, and more. So the opportunity is there. Okay, and boss, what I want to say here is that it's not you don't have to pay anything to join uShip. I mean, we've seen on social media, some people are saying, well, you have to pay a fee to join uShip. It's free. Do not pay anybody. Don't let anybody fool you. Like everybody razzle dazzle you, trying to lie to your face and say, well, you have to pay $50 and we'll set you up on uShip. You can do it yourself. You can go to uship.com. You go to /learn/carriers and you sign up there. You can see on the screen here. Okay. So you can sign up yourself. Even better, you can download the app and just sign up through the app. And all you need is you just need to create your profile. It's very simple. It takes about 5 minutes. Okay, so you create your profiles. You need to find shipments. You need to ask questions, submit quotes, accept offers, and win business. It's very, very easy. Okay, it's very easy, very quick. It's a very quick way to make money. And as a delivery driver, you can actually make solid cash. Solid cash is one of those apps that are giving you like a lot of opportunity in terms of expanding your business. Okay, so with uShip, you get paid, and you get paid on delivery. And the good thing is that uShip is really clear about their fees. I will speak about their fees later on, but it's really fantastic. And one thing else I want to say here is that if you want to succeed on uShip real quick, you want to perfect your profile constantly. You want to set the right profile, providing as much information as possible. You want to set expectations. Okay, you want to actually use the mobile app as much as possible. You want to share your location, and you want to find the right jobs based on your location and based on your on the kind of vehicle that you have. But it's very simple. Okay, so this is just the overview about the whole uShip opportunity thing. Now let me talk to you about the carrier tools. So on uShip, they do have a constellation of carrier tools that will help you make more money as a uShip driver. They'll help you find more opportunities, find more loads. Okay, so you are always loaded, boss. You are always loaded. For us, being loaded means making money, and that's what I care about. That's what we care about. Okay, so on uShip, you have. So let me just talk to you about the carrier tools that you have. For example, they have marketplace tools. So for example, they have Safer Profile Importer. So basically, you're able to set up your profile real quick. Okay, so you make registration a breeze by importing content from the Safer database directly into your profile. So basically, what is a Safer Profile Importer? So the Safer actually is a database that displays your .mc numbers on your profile, allowing potential customers to gain confidence in booking with you. So, but one thing I want to say here, to drive on uShip, you don't need to have authority. You don't need to have or MC numbers. But if you do, this could be a competitive deal booster. Okay, it could actually boost your profiles. Think about the message center. This is where all the communication magic happens. So keep your shipping business separate and organized in one user-friendly hub. So this is really great. You can find shipment through the app. You also have shipment alerts. So basically what happens here is that uShip would alert you. Okay, anytime there's a shipment that actually matches your preferences. So just make sure that you actually are able to set the right filterings. You can filter by category. You can filter by a location. You can filter by listing type. So when a shipment is posted on uShip that matches your criteria, you'll be notified instantly via email. Sometimes they'll send you a text message too. Okay, and you also have mobile tools. Okay, so you have marketplace tools and you have mobile tools. So you have the uShip app. So the uShip app is everything you need to succeed as a uShip driver. Okay. And they also have something called the nearby shipment alerts. So basically, this is actually great for last minute backhauls. So this uShip will actually alert you to any shipment listed in your general proximity, price tag included. Okay, so this is kind of cool. Just enable location services on your device. By the way, I want to quickly remind you, boss, we're having a conversation today about how uShip works and how you can make money. I also want to talk to you about other tools that you need to be aware of when we talk about carrier tools on uShip. And uShip has something called quoting tools. This is really important. So what uShip does is that they have something called automatic underquoting. So basically, uShip is trying to make sure that you, as a driver, as a uShip driver, don't get outquoted. So you have to enter to automatically underquote other service providers until your final quote is met. Automatic underquoting helps you stay competitive while driving or occupied with other tasks. Okay, so the whole thing is, you have to understand, uShip is trying to draw new customers to the platform, to the app, and they want to make sure that you're not actually you're not overquoting. Now, one thing I need to say here is that don't engage in a race to the bottom. You always have to ask yourself, does this quote make sense to me personally? Because if you're trying to beat the next driver because you think their price is just higher, don't actually compete only on cost. Okay, so if you engage in this war, you're going to lose 9 times out of 10. So you have to actually ask yourself if the prices make sense for you before you attempt to underquote. Also, you need to have quote alert so you can notify via email, app notification, text message, or the message center as soon as another service provider outquotes you. So basically, if somebody let's say you put like a $1,000 for your quote and somebody actually quotes for $975 or $950, uShip would alert you, and at that point you have the opportunity to say, okay, I'm fine with the new quotes, or I will try to beat his ass with a new price. So it's totally something you need to think about. Okay, so you want to check this option to fight for the shipments you really want. And they also have something called group quoting. So group shipments will help you maximize capacity without the risk of overbooking and resulting cancellation. So you need to submit quotes on multiple shipments within a group and set a limit on how many quotes you can service at one time. But the only thing is, for this feature, you must be a qualified carrier to participate in good quoting, okay, in group quoting. And they also have something called next level tools. I mean, we love this a lot. So this is actually a tool. This is actually a feature that allows you to manage multiple drivers. So you can orchestrate your drivers like air traffic control. This is good if you have a fleet. Okay, if you're a solo driver, you don't need this. But if you are a fleet operator and you manage a fleet, you can actually use this. It's just fantastic. You can add each of your drivers to your account under the My Drivers tab and assign them shipments. Okay, so with location sharing enabled, you will be able to maximize your collective performance potential. Fantastic. Now let's talk about secure payments. This is an important element that you need to think about if you are on uShip. Now, you have hassle-free payments on delivery. So uShip will pay you on delivery, okay? And the good thing is that you have to follow a process to actually get paid. So you have so what happens here is that the shipping customer will prepay at booking. So for most shipments, your shipping customer will need to prepay for the job in full at booking, at which point he or she will be given a payment code, okay? So you get a payment code. So once you get a payment code, once you deliver the goods, your shipping customer will then share the payment code with you. So what will happen here is that to release the payment, you will enter this code on uship.com, or you can actually enter it through the uShip mobile app. So this is how you get paid, okay? So now you can withdraw your funds. So payment release places the funds directly into your uShip account. So you can actually indicate how you would like to withdraw your money into your bank or other account. That's fine, but you have to do this through your withdrawal preferences. Okay, so this is how the whole thing works. And if you have problems, remember, you can always contact uShip. You can always read their payments FAQs. Okay, and boss, by the way, I just want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about uShip, how it works, how to make money through uShip, how to be an excellent uShip driver, okay, how to be an excellent uShip courier. And so when we talk about withdrawal methods, you actually have several options. If you are a broker or carrier in the United States who is opted into uShip payments, you have options. You have 2 methods available to withdraw funds from your uShip account. So you basically you have a ACH direct deposit to bank accounts. So the primary electronic network for bank-to-bank financial transactions in this country. So that's ACH direct deposit to your bank account. And they also have something called instant debit withdrawal. Now there is a 2% fee. So, but this is pending eligibility. So you need to actually be eligible for this, but it is possible. You don't have to actually have an account. If you don't have an account, you have an instant debit withdrawal. Okay. But overall, this is a great opportunity. I just wanted to say that. And it's really important to say that you actually get paid. You can get paid like it doesn't matter whether you, like people say, well, you can get paid every 2 weeks. No, you can get paid multiple times a week. Actually, you get paid upon delivery. So if you deliver, like, let's say you deliver 3 or 4 times a day or a week, you get paid 3 or 4 times. Another thing I really want to mention when it comes to uShip is that you have to have something called location sharing. Boss, if you want to make money on uShip, you need to share your location. Okay. And the thing is, you have to actually activate this thing on your device. You need to turn it on. You have to turn it on. Okay. Some devices, some smartphones actually turn off like programmatically or like automatically the location sharing feature. So you have to activate it. So at first, sharing your location may feel like something a little uneasy. I understand that, but uShip makes the whole thing safe, hassle-free, and beneficial. So uShip's location sharing feature reduces back and forth communication with your customers while you are on the road, and enables other helpful tools like nearby shipment alerts. Okay, so once you actually share, if you share your location, you have automated status updates. You can maintain your privacy. One thing I want to say real quick is that if you want to be a successful uShip driver, boss, please have 2 phones. Don't use the same phone. Don't use your personal phone for this uShip gig. No, don't you allow them to actually track your ass at all times. Day and night. No. Don't do this. So you want to have 2 phones. So you want to have 1 phone for your business, 1 phone for uShip, and 1 phone for yourself. So that will be 2 phones. 1 phone for uShip business and other businesses, like other gigs. It could be Amazon and whatnot. But you have another phone for your personal affairs, so nobody's trying to know anything about your business, whatever, And because if you were to actually use your personal phone, they'll be able to track your ass at every time. You don't really want that. So basically, when you enable location sharing on your phone, you have automated status updates. So your customers will receive automatic email and mobile notifications at 2 important stages: pickup and delivery. So reducing the continuous need for status calls and text means you can focus on the road. So this is kind of cool. I mean, we can vouch for that. This is really cool. And you are able to maintain your privacy, and you have all the controls. The uShip gives you all the controls that you need to actually get the job done quickly and properly. I want to talk to you about a program called Power Carrier. And this is actually a great program within uShip that actually empowers you to make more money. And basically the thing is that when you are a Power Carrier, you have a lot of benefits. So you have the Power Carrier badge. Okay, you can enjoy site-wide recognition. You can stand out from the competition. You can earn instant trust with customers. So the Power Carrier is actually a badge of honor, if you will, that allows the uShip customers to know that you are reliable, to know that you are trustworthy, that you know that you have been kicking ass on the platform for the last, say, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever. Okay. So if you are a Power Carrier, you can receive VIP treatments. So when you call customer service, you have dedicated support from experienced account managers. Okay. And you have priority access. So you are the first to know about new business opportunities, industry discounts, and more. And you can be invited to a uShip headquarters. So you can call to schedule a visit next time you are in the Austin area to meet the crew, provide your feedback, tour the uShip's office, and maybe even test some new products while you are here. So this is really good. Now, if you want to earn that badge, here are the Power Carrier requirements. You have to use a carrier account type. You have to book 10 or more gross matches within the previous month. You have to maintain 3 or fewer excessive cancellations. You have to maintain at least a 95% positive feedback rating. You need to leave at least as much feedback as you receive. You need to keep your account in good financial standing. And you have to uphold all uShip community values, including honesty, timeliness, and respect for other members. And you need to comply with all uShip quoting and marketplace policies. Okay, so this is really important. If you want to get that, yes, the opportunity is definitely there. And so you have power carrier levels. You have bronze, you have silver, you have gold, you have platinum. So bronze, you're looking at 10 to 15 gross matches of $10,000 to 12,500 gross match volume per month. For silver, you have 16 to 20 gross matches, or 12,500 to 15,000 gross match volume per month. For gold, you have 21 to 30 gross matches of 15,000 to 20,000 gross match volume per month. And for platinum, you have more than 31 gross matches, or more than 20,000 gross match volume per month. Okay, so here you have it. The next thing I want you to do here, if you want to actually succeed on the platform, is to actually listen to the uShip podcast. The cool thing we love about the uShip podcast is that it gives you a lot of information on how to succeed, on the platform, to how to succeed as a delivery driver through the app. And so their podcast is called The Long Haul. And you can actually listen to this while driving, to and fro the customers. Basically, the whole thing here is that it's about learning. It's about bettering your gig, your strategy. It's about improving the way you work, the way you deliver all the loads, right? And remember, one thing. So this uShip podcast, we tell our clients to listen to it. You can listen to it while driving, or you can listen to it if you're home. You just you want to actually be in a very quiet environment. You can take notes. So you can take notes when listening to this podcast. That way you are basically learning more, trying to use mnemonic devices, so you're able to know exactly how to memorize things. Okay, and what we love about the uShip podcast is that they are constantly dropping gems. They're constantly dropping new information, relevant information that will help you up your game when it comes to uShip and become a power carrier. Okay, because that's the goal. If you are on uShip, your goal is to become a power carrier and really make as much money as possible and be recognized as such. Okay. And sometimes, you can actually, we tell our clients, if you are, let's say there's something you don't understand with within the uShip podcast, just try to pause and comprehend what you just heard, okay? And replay the podcast for better understanding. This could be another opportunity for you. And you can actually discuss the podcast with somebody else. If you have a team, let's say if you have a team of drivers, if you manage a fleet, try to discuss the podcast, the information with somebody else. This will help you a lot. And you want to also find a way to digest only the important things, because the podcast can be a little heavy, because they provide a lot of information. That's a good thing. But, sometimes that part of the podcast might not be relevant to you, because maybe you have experience already, or maybe because they're talking about something you don't care about, or maybe because you are in a different geography, and the podcast items do not apply to that geography. So you have to see what really works for you, okay? But the thing is that the uShip podcast is called The Long Haul. It's a great platform. It's a great opportunity to learn more and actually up your game as a uShip driver. So I and my team really encourage you to listen to that every now and then, so you can again become a better driver while on the platform. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Here is a recap of today's conversation. So I was just talking to you about uShip, how it works, how to make more money. And so I gave you the overview. I spoke about the carrier tools, marketplace tools, mobile tools, quoting tools, next level tools. We spoke about secure payments. We spoke about location sharing. And we spoke about a power carrier. Thank you. God bless you. I will speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.